I'm trying to figure out which is the best roller, perm rods or silk rollers. Hello everyone, como esta café? It's your girl Jasmine here. I've already done a video where I tested perm rods against flexi rods. Me personally, I think the perm rods hit it out the park. So I wanted to give it another contender, and that's where the silk rollers came in. Now, as you can see, the size disparity is a lot, and my hair is a lot longer these days, so I don't know. Now, one of the reasons why I wanted to try out silk rollers is one, because it looks like it can be really comfortable to sleep in. Number two, the fact that there's like a silk barrier over the foam makes me think there'll be less snag, more moisture retention. I'm all about no snags. I know sometimes with the perm rods I do get some snags. We're gonna test these out. Also, I got 1 or 2 packs of this on Amazon. Listen, the total came out to under $14. I'll be sure to leave a link in my description box if you want to cop that. Aside from that, I think we should get on with the verses. I've been rocking this high pony all week, and it is about time that I do something different. Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, I'm looking at this and I'm like, how sway. I'm taking my DIY hair tonic and I'll be spraying that all over. When I tell you that I love this hair tonic, I'm being for real, y'all. The smell is so good. It's the cloves, it's the cinnamon. It smells warm and spicy. It smells like chai tea. I'm gonna do perm rods on this side, and I think I'm gonna do 1 lock to a perm rod. I'm taking my Giovanni hair styling foam, maybe like 1 or 2 pumps, and I'm squeezing it into the lock. And I'm not even gonna bother like retwisting the roots. I'm gonna start off at the end, wrapping the end around once, and then wrapping the perm rod around to where it secures the end. And then we're gonna twist, twist, twist up like so. Bang. On this side, we are going to have the silk rods. This is going to be the same exact technique. Wrapping the end around, wrapping the roller, and then twist and roll, twist and roll, twist and roll, twist and roll. Sheesh. Just, okay, this might be a little, hold on, because I'm trying to find the, it's my first time doing this, y'all. I feel like I gotta close my eyes to do this. Oh gosh, oh boy. All right, this is what it looks like up close. Silk rollers, perm rods. I have no complaints over the silk rollers. I thought they'd be a little too short as it got near the top, and it was looking real close to that, but I just wrapped the locks on top of other locks, so that's totally fine. We'll see how that ends up looking like tomorrow. But in any case, I am gonna do the rest of my hair. I am finally back. I have some thoughts. The perm rod side was definitely easier to apply, hands down. And not only that, I was able to do 2 locks to 1 perm rod. It's less work for me to do, and that's great. The silk rollers, on the other hand, took a while. At first, I thought it was doing all right. I started in the back putting 2 locks with 1 silk roller, and at first it worked. Then the more I started doing it, the more it wasn't holding or clipping together. So I had to do 1 at a time. I do also wish these were much longer. I really had to improvise and leave some of the roots out, which is totally fine, but like once my hair gets longer, these won't be of any use to me. If you have shorter hair, shorter locks, these would work for you. But as my hair is getting longer, the struggle was real. I am going to wrap this up, go to bed, come back in the morning and give you my final thoughts. I took down the perm rods and the silk rollers, and I have some thoughts. So as you can see, this side is the side with the perm rod set. Perfection per usual. And this is the side with the silk rollers. You know what? The curls are much tighter on this side. As you can see, it's closer towards the root. This is hanging down a lot more, which I like. I feel like you'll get more of a lasting curl set on this side. But the thing is, I don't know if these silk rollers are gonna last very long, because I took them off and they look kind of shriveled up. I don't know if they'll like puff back up again. So this is something to take note of. Something else about these silk rollers, I need them to be longer. I need longer silk rollers because my hair's getting longer. It's not getting any shorter, y'all. So I am going to need something longer. But these are way more comfortable to sleep in. It gives me a tighter curl. I'm going to see in the next couple of hours or next couple of days if these puff up again. I'm hoping they do. This is my hair and she is so cute. Both sides can get it. Oh, I love a good massage. Oh. Okay. A pro of the perm rods is that you can use more than one lock for every perm rod. Another pro is that it's a lot longer than the silk roller, and you pretty much get the perfect perm rod set every single time. I know I do. The con of the perm rod is that it's uncomfortable to sleep in, and another con is that it snags because of these little nubs. That's kind of annoying for me. A pro of the silk rollers is that you can retain moisture because, you know, the silk over top the foam lets you make sure that your hair isn't drying out. Another pro is that you get the same type of curled look as you do with the perm rods, right? Another pro about these silk rollers is that you get very minimal snag, which is great for me. And another pro is that they are so comfortable to sleep in. Way more comfortable than the perm rods, that's for damn sure. Cons with this, very, very short. I need it to be longer. Another con is that you can only really use one lock at a time. Weighing the pros and cons, the silk rollers have it. I mean, they just do. Make them a lot longer and I think we'd be good. Make them even like longer. I'm talking like, just make it as long as you possibly can, and I think we'll be good money. That's all I got. I really hope you enjoyed this versus. Let me know what other sorts of styling tools you would like for me to compare next. And with all that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace, girl.